Hey there! Are you a content creator looking for a powerful yet user-friendly screen recording tool? Then you need to check out iTop Screen Recorder. iTop Screen Recorder is a versatile and feature-packed software designed specifically for Windows. Whether you're recording tutorials, presentations, or just capturing your screen for personal use, this tool has got you covered. With iTop Screen Recorder, you can choose from 4 different recording modes. Record your entire screen, a specific area, or even a particular window. This makes it super easy to tailor your recordings to exactly what you need. One of the standout features is the ability to record your screen along with webcam footage and audio. Perfect for creating engaging training videos or online lectures. And if you're worried about distractions, you can even blur or replace the background of your webcam feed. But that's not all. iTop Screen Recorder also allows you to capture streaming audio and music from platforms like YouTube and Spotify. You can even use a real-time AI voice changer with over 10 fun filters. Now let's talk about enhancing your recordings. With built-in drawing and annotation tools, you can highlight important information, making your content more engaging and easier to understand. Plus, the software supports GPU acceleration, ensuring smooth performance without lag. Editing your recordings is a breeze with iTop Screen Recorder. You can add, edit, and remove multiple video and audio tracks. Trim, split, merge, and transform your videos with simple drag-and-drop actions. Plus, you can add text, subtitles, stickers, images, filters, and even background music to make your videos pop. Need to save some space? The built-in video compressor can reduce file sizes significantly without compromising quality. And if you've got a blurry image, the AI-powered unblur feature can enhance it with just one click. For those delivering presentations, the teleprompter feature is a game changer. It allows you to seamlessly read your script while recording, giving your videos a professional touch. And for those of us who attend a lot of online meetings, you can record entire sessions without needing permission, making it easy to revisit important discussions. So if you're looking for a comprehensive screen recording solution, iTop Screen Recorder is definitely worth a try. It's packed with features that make creating high-quality content a breeze. Give it a shot and see for yourself. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you in the next video.